Morena, Tamarikima, Whānau and Kayako. Thanks for joining me again. How was your weekend? What did you get up to? Oh wow, that sounds like lots of fun. I hope you spent lots of time outside. I saw lots of people riding their bikes and going for walks and playing with their pets. It's been a lovely weekend. Okay, today we are going to sing some action songs. Do you know some actions? Do you know how to oma, run? Do you know how to kani kani, dance? Do you know how to paki paki, clap? And do you know how to hooty hooty, twirl? You do? Great. So you'll be ready for our dancing. Ready? Let's do a little bit of stretching. Stretch up high. Stretch to the side. The other side. Stretch down low. Okay. Good to go. 1, 2, 3. Paki, 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 tamarikima. Paki, 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 tamarikima. Ready? Oma, run. Oma, 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 tamarikima. Oma, 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 tamarikima. Now for some kani kani, some dancing. Kani, 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 tamarikima. Kani, 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 tamarikima. And hooty hooty, twirling. Hooty 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 hooty, tamarikima. Hooty 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 hooty, tamarikima. And one more time, paki paki. Paki 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 paki, tamarikima. Paki 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 paki, tamarikima. Oh, excellent work, tamarikima. You guys have done really well. Should we do another action rhyme? Do you know open, shut them? Oh, you do? Okay, let's go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Or your legs if you're standing up. Creak them, creak them, creak them, creak them right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not put them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Blow your friends a kiss. Should we do something secret? Do you know how to do the silly version where we do everything the wrong way round? Okay, let's go. Open, oh, that's not open. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. That's not your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin. But do not let them in. Ooh. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. That's not shaking. Okay, let's roll. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Blow your friends a kiss. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, tamarikima? Thanks for joining me. Stay safe, stay healthy, look after your family and have lots of fun. Ka kite anō, see you soon.